The Choice Institute in the School of Pharmacy at the University of Washington, Seattle, is launching a new certificate in data science in HEOR, or Health Economics and Outcomes Research. Building on a very successful first certificate program, which introduced the economic principles of HEOR, this new certificate will provide a fundamental understanding of the utility and use of alternative analytical tools in the era of big data. The certificate is developed to equip healthcare professionals and decision makers with the necessary knowledge to critically evaluate the use of data sciences in their work and decision making. The certificate can hugely benefit professionals in payer organizations, health industries, government agencies, life sciences, pharmaceutical, and biomedical industries. One of the unique features of this certificate is that it focuses on data science concepts and their application to healthcare data analysis rather than coding or complex statistical derivations. Lessons will cover fundamentals like working with real world data, causal inference methods, and machine learning principles, and how these principles and methods are applied in the HEOR field. We are excited to share cutting edge theories and examples of methods to help health professionals navigate big data and make informed decisions.